Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Before I share about our system, let me start with a quick introduction of our team members. There are 5 of us in this group. So first, we have the Muhammad FAZREY and Muhammad TAKHRIM. So next is the SYAFIQAH Binti Mat Ali. That's me, the presenter for today. Then Muhammad ZULFADZLAN bin Muhammad FAZIL, followed by NURUL DIYANAH binti Shudairi. And lastly, we have Muhammad IDRIS bin Muhammad SIDEK. All of us work together to build this system, and each person has their own tasks, from interface design, formula setups, and database organizations, and analysis sheets. Now let's move to the system itself. You can see at the screen. Okay. Our project is called the Bookstore Sale and Invoicing. You can see above that, and we built for the University of Oklahoma, Bookstore. It developed using Microsoft Excel, and the goal is to help manage daily sales and reporting, invoice, and all in one system. So we wanted to keep things practical and easy to use, especially for the small setting like University Bookstore. Okay, now you can see on the left side of the screen, you can see a sidebar menu. This is the main navigation panel. So we designed it with a clear icon and a layout that user can easily move between different part of the system. Okay, the sidebar include a home, dashboard, sign in, database, invoice, analysis, sale order, report. So we go to dashboard, then I click, you can see view sale perform. Okay, now you can see at the screen. So I return back. Then it's a sign in, looking for tracking, invoice data entry. So I return back to home. So next is database, where we store all the customer and product data. Right, return back. Then we click the invoice to generate invoice and receipt official. So you can see the button print invoice, email, post system, home. Then we return back. Analysis for view, sales trend and breakdown. I click that, you can see it's a post system there. Okay. Sale order to manage customer order. And lastly is a report to generate summarized and printable reports. Each section is a link to spreadsheet to make the system more organized and easy to use. Okay, now moving to the homepage. Okay, look at your screen. This is the first thing the user will see when they open the system. At the top, we place the system title and organization's name. On the right, this is a team member button, but it cannot click, just a background. Okay, there is a team member button where user can view who create the system. In the center, we display our team, all 5 of us, with our name, photo, and student ID, just to personalize the page and show ownership of the project. The background, we using the digital technology style team to make it look more modern style and professional, so that the overview of our homepage, sidebar and team members. Thank you for listening, and now I pass to the next presenter to continue with the system detail.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad IDRIS bin Muhammad SIDEK. Today I'll walk you through the sales dashboard interface of our University of Oklahoma Bookstores sales and invoice system. Okay, this is our home page. We go to dashboard. Okay, this dashboard acts as a command center for tracking our bookstore performance across multiple metrics. such as sales, profit, top products, and more, all in one dashboard. Okay, first on the left sidebar over here, we have interactivity that allow users to customize the data shown. We can select years and months. This selector help narrow the view to specific time frame for January, February, March, April, and May. It depends on the time frame, which one the user would like to look. Second, we see a monthly breakdown of sales amount and profit. On top is the sales, and the bottom is the amount of profit. For example, as recorded on April, the sales is highest sales for the month recorded on April, which is 9,823 ringgit and 59 cents, and the profits is 1,890 ringgit and 8 cents. Okay, third is the total sales and total profit summary. You can see over here there's an amount there, 43,694 ringgit and 39 cents, and the total profit is 8,546 ringgit and 20 cents. Next, we spotlight our best performer for the top salesperson and our top product and the top category and top book category. And it can change monthly also. Okay, next, this horizontal chart over here shows the contribution of each book categories, such as art, design, psychology, followed by law, and so on. And lastly, in this dashboard, we can see it is a product level analysis. In this product level analysis, in this level, we can track sales of each product in the scroll list. This bar chart helps us quickly see which product are selling well, and this can indicate the inventory of our bookstore. Okay. Lastly, this dashboard empower our bookstore team with clear time of what we are selling, who's selling it, and monitor the cash flow of our bookstore. Okay, that's all for me. I will pass to the next present.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is MOHAMAD FAZREY from TAKHRIM. Now my turn to explain about our system using a post system. So first we need to log in, click the sales invoice system. Alright. So once we click, we need to log in username and password. So for default, now I'm setting the username is admin and the password is 1234. So this password or username I can change at the developer mode using a cookie, so I can set for staff to log in the ID. So that means this ID is not private, so one person, one ID. So here we can see the log to see the password if we forgot. So now we click login. So come out the pop-up mention is welcome to our system. So click OK. Alright. So first the interface and user interface now in the home. So for me, we need to sign in here. Click sign in. Go to request data entry, and then now it's a full system. So what we call this full system is automated data entry form version 1.0. So now, first we need to click a new entry. So once we click, the invoice number is running number, automatic running number. So we put the name, for example, this one, gender is female, country, and then select book data using a scroll down, like data validation. So just one book here, quantity is 1, and then put the name. Once I finish, we click to add book to list. Why need to click add book to list first? Because let's say if he purchased more than one book, so we can choose another book, choose the quantity. So we can see here is subtotal. Also, we can give a discount. Let's say we give a 10% discount. So the subtotal already auto calculate, and then we click again to add book to list. So for grand total already sum all the total amount. After we add book to list, now we click to save. Once we click save, pop-up come out, mention that data saves as activity. So we click OK. Automatic invoice form and user form has been reset. So that means totally crash our form. Click OK. So we can see here, Miss Farhana got 2 invoice, the same invoice number but the 2 row. So how to generate the invoice? We click at the row Miss Farhana and click search correct invoice. Invoice number, we double check invoice number 0159. So that means it's correct, invoice 0159. So we click OK. So automatic go to invoice template. So that means invoice number, PO number, date purchase, term study already we can check. So invoice to Miss Farhana, the location Kajang, Malaysia. Already got the email. So we look up the description is that Miss Farhana chose 2 books. So by respond 1 book, help majority late is 2 quantity. So we can see here extent discount is totally correct. Now we can print this invoice. Let's say we click the print invoice. Automatic go to print preview. So close this one. If you want print, you can print, and then we can go click to email. So that means direct to email Miss Farhana using their email. So Miss Farhana at Gmail, your invoice from University of Oklahoma Bookstore also already generated the one. Alright, going back, so we can go back to our core system. Okay, we look up the transaction record. So let's say Miss Farhana already auto go to transaction record. So here, Miss Farhana is the last row from the record transaction. So we can see here. Okay, we can see a 0159 Miss Farhana got 2 row because they purchased 2 books. Already got the book ID here, and then the total here, the price. Alright, and then we go back to our core system. Let's click here, and then we can search. Let's say Miss Farhana forgot missed their invoice, so we can search their invoice number or search customer name. So now let's say they have their invoice number, so we can search by invoice number. Let's say we search for invoice 0159, and then we click here, search number, finish search. So click OK, then automatically go to the invoice. Miss Farhana. If let's say we want to search another customer, let's say we search for Mr. R. Let's say Mr. R is invoice number 0159. 056, search invoice number, finish search. So here is Mr. Oh, not Mr. R, Mr. K. Check 0156. Oh yeah, 0156 is Mr. K, it's correct. So here is Mr. K, we have one book, 289.76. Okay, let's say they want to search by the customer name. Let's say search for Mr. R. So we click search customer name. So finish search. Okay, now 0157 Mr. R, their invoice number. Alright. Okay. So let's say we want to create a new entry, but we need to reset because I want to generate another customer. We can manual reset here. Click the reset. So invoice for my user form has been reset. Okay, that's all for me now. We can go back to the dashboard for another my click to explain another sheet. So here is my
Hello, my name is ZULFADZLAN bin FAZREY, and today I'll be giving you an overview of a data system that tracks sales and invoicing for the University of Oklahoma Bookstore. This system is crucial for maintaining smooth operational, tracking purchase, and ensuring accurate billing for students, faculty, and other customers. Let's dive into the detail of the database that capture all the critical data involved in the sales and invoicing process. First, purchase order. Every transaction starts with a unique purchase order number. This is used to track each individual order and ensure that no confusion in handling customer requests. Number 2, invoice number. Following the purchase order, an invoice is generated, identified by a unique invoice number. This helps track payment and verify complete order. Number 3, customer name. Each transaction has a customer attached to it. This field records the name of the person making the purchase, whether it's a student, faculty member, or staff. This is important for identifying who is buying the book and for the customer service. Number 4, gender. While it's not always necessary for processing the order, recording the customer gender can help in demographic analysis and personalized marketing campaign. Number 5, book title. This field records the title of the book being purchased. It helps the bookstore identify what books are in demand and always for better inventory management. Number 6, quantity. Here we see how many copies of a book the customer is purchasing. This is critical piece for understanding demand and adjusting stock level. Number 7, city. The city is important for logistics, especially is book need to be delivered or there is regional preference for certain book. Number 8, country. The indicator the customer country which is particularly used for international order for managing shipping cost and tax. Number 9, email. Every customer has email address recorded. This is not only important for sending receipt and invoice, but also keeping customer informed about promotional and order status update. Number 10, submitted by. This field track who in the bookstore process in the order, ensuring there accountability for every transaction. Number 11, submitted on. The exact date when the order was processed. This help tracking sales over time, understanding peak purchase period, and planning inventory. Financial field. Now let's talk about the financial aspect of the system. Number 12, price per book. This price for each individual book is listed here. This is essential for calculating the total cost of each other. Number 13, discount. In case where discount are applied, this field help reduce the total cost. Discount may come from special promotional for university-wide, discount for student or staff. Subtotal. The subtotal is the total price of the book before tax or other adjustment. It calculated by multiplying the price book by the quantity applying the discount. Grand total. The grand total is the final amount the customer need to pay, including any tax under charge. This is the amount recorded in the invoice and help ensure.
Hi, my name is Binti Shudairi and I will be presenting an overview of our analysis developed from the 2025 transaction data in our POST system to create the sales dashboard. This dashboard captures key metrics such as total sales, monthly trends, top performing products and category, as well as salesperson achievements. All insights were derived from our detailed transaction record, and the dashboard uses live formula to stay dynamic and also accurate. So let's start with the financial overview. For the year 2035, our total sales reached 43,694.29 cents, while our total purchase cost was 35,148.9 cents, giving us a net profit of 8,546.20 cents. This represents a healthy profit margin of 34% calculated using the formula, which is sale minus purchase price divided by sales. To pull this figure directly from our pivot table, we're using the get pivot data function, which ensure the totals are always updated automatically based on selected filter in slicer like year or months. Next, we analyze monthly sales and profit from January to May. April was our strongest month with 9,823.59 cents in sales and nearly 1,819 in profits. February and January also performed well, maintaining steady growth. Across the months, our profit percentage held between 19% and 22%, showing the pricing consistency. For the month selection is interactive and powered by IF combined with VLOOKUP. This also allows the dashboard to dynamically return monthly value based on the slicer selections. Okay, next is our top selling product. Is titled Place If Love Sister Ahead, which is generating 2,127 in sales. In terms of category, art is the leading segment with 2,396.50 cents, followed closely by computer science and also psychology. This ranking are calculated using the rank function and offset formulas to automatically highlight the best performer in each group based on the total sales. These sales by category are visualized in a colorful tree map. We see strong contribution from law, history, engineering and business, while fields like mathematics, education and literature show lower sales. This help inform a decision on future stock planning and also the marketing priorities. Now, we take a look at the team contribution. The top performing salesperson for the year was MOHAMAD IDRIS bin Muhammad SIDEK with 11,088.5 cents in total sales. He was closely followed by Muhammad FAZREY bin Muhammad TAKHRIM with 10,763.26 cents. This ranking are also using the rank function to determine who leads in total sales, and also offset help us retrieve and display the corresponding names and also the amount of dynamically. So all these insights are pulled from the transaction record sheet. It also includes the details like book title, prices, quantities, sale persons, and also the categories. We use a combination of pivot tables, VLOOKUP, get pivot data, rank, and also the offset to ensure the dashboard updates automatically when the new data is entered. This allows us to get a real-time performance metric without having to update manually. That's all from me. Hi, my name is Binti Shudairi.
Our sales invoice system is an Excel-based integrated solution designed to manage the day-to-day sales and invoicing operation of our bookstore. Our system focus on simplified automation and data visibility. This system serve as a practical tools. Start from handling transaction, generating invoice, monitoring inventory, and analyzing business performance, all within a single platform. In conclusion, our sales and invoice system is a reliable and practical solution for all SMEs. By integrating multiple business functions into one Excel system, it's not only improve operational efficiency, but also enhance visibility and control over business performance. Thank you.